Welcome to my milking cottage on the Demi Rosa. Welcome back, everybody. After giving it some thought, much thought, and we had this wonderful Greek yogurt, I thought what would be absolutely great with our Greek yogurt, and that is some warm granola, homemade granola. So I thought that's what we'd do today, and so this is what we're gonna make with our old-fashioned oats, our pecans, and we have some sliced almonds as well that you can't see, pecans and almonds. And we have some cherries, dried cherries, rough chopped, coconut, vegetable oil, and honey and cinnamon. So it's really easy. What we do is we're gonna dump in our oats, and then we're gonna dump in our nuts, kind of squish those around. Then we're gonna put in our cherries, squish that around, get that all incorporated, and then our coconut, and get that all in. Oh, it smells good already. And then we're gonna pour in our oil, just on top, get it all in there. Then I'm gonna use my spurtles. Get the oil in there, get everything coated real good. This looks yummy and smells wonderful already, and it hasn't even toasted. Okay, now we're gonna do our honey. Just all the way, a third cup of honey, half a cup of oil, cup and a half of chopped dried cherries, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a cup of coconut. Let's get this all out of the way. And we're going to mix the honey in. All that combined and coated. This is really such an easy recipe for such a wonderful pow at the end with nice homemade yogurt in the morning or a snack. Mr. Pat likes to just make this cereal and eat it as a cereal. So we got that all done. Now we're gonna sprinkle in our cinnamon. Yummy. Now let's get that all incorporated. It's gonna be wonderful, just wonderful. And then we have our sheet tray with our silk pad on it. And we're just gonna put this all out on this. Spread it out. So as you can see, we're just going to spread this out on our silk hat. We're going to bake it at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. So we're going to, halfway through, we're going to get it out and we're going to scoop it all around and see if we can get it done all the way through. So in our oven it goes. We're going to start it with, let's do 15 minutes first, and then we'll come back. Well, our timer is going off, so let's pull it out and give it a toss. Ah, the smell of the honey and the cinnamon. The nuts, yummy. Yummy, yummy. So let's just give this a toss. So make sure everything gets warmed up pretty good. Oh, yum. Oh, it smells so good. Yummy. Oh, man. Honey. just smells like holiday party. But you can eat it all the time. Yay! You're having a brunch or put some warm granola on the table with some homemade yogurts. Wow, people will be so impressed. So back in the oven, let's do another 15 minutes and see how it comes out. Set our timer. And we'll wait for the goodness. Well, our timer's going off, so we can pull it out. See what, oh, no. Smells like snickerdoodle cookies is what it smells like. So we're just gonna toss it again, gently, so we don't throw it across the kitchen. That looks exceptional. We're gonna just smooth it out here after we toss it, let it cool a bit. Then we'll get out some homemade yogurt, put some granola on it, have an afternoon snack. Thanks you guys for watching. Leave a comment, share, subscribe. God bless you. Have a beautiful day, and always keep something fresh in the pantry. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.